This is the new FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit. It features the same 4 flexible tool port sizes and shapes as the previous kit with a few awesome improvements. First, there's the new blue flexible hose that's 20% lighter, making it easier to handle. Second, we've beefed up the flexible ports a bit to make them more secure. These ports are intended to be snug so they won't fall off. We also added secondary clamps to the larger ports that help secure them when they aren't as tight as you'd like. But the biggest improvement is the addition of our new Click-Connect system. The new hose comes equipped with this new fitting that easily connects and disconnects to the new fittings. Now all you have to do is fit the appropriate size port on your tool, and instead of having to switch the ports on your hose, the ports stay on the tools, and you simply connect and disconnect the Click-Connect hose fitting to your tool ports. The Click-Connect hose adapter also features a vent collar for adjusting the amount of suction. This is a great feature for tools like orbital sanders that don't work as well when too much suction is exerted. So again, the important thing with the new kit is the port stays on the tool and the hose moves from tool to tool. And if you need more ports for additional tools, you can purchase them individually in any of the 4 sizes. And if you already have our original FlexiPort hose kit, we also have this upgrade kit that will convert the original FlexiPort hose to the Click-Connect system. Here's how it works. First, remove whichever old port is currently connected to your expanding FlexiPort hose. Next, thread on the new Click-Connect adapter to the end of your hose. Finally, fit the appropriate size new port on your tool. Now, instead of having to constantly switch ports and keep track of the ports you're not using, the ports stay on the tool. There you have it, the new FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit and Click-Connect Upgrade Kit. Both the hose kit and upgrade kit use the same Click-Connect system and ports, so it's easy to mix and match. We all know dust collection is important, and the new FlexiPort Power Tool Hose Kit makes it easier than ever to move your dust collection from tool to tool.